The UK's first priority is to have 40 trade agreements with 70 countries in place post-Brexit and to roll over existing EU trade agreements, after which free trade agreements FTA with countries such as Malaysia that has immense trade and investment potential will be looked at.
Brexit is scheduled to take place in less than 6 months on March 29, 2019, with the proposed transition period to end in December 2020. In the meantime, the UK government is currently laying the groundwork in terms of future cooperation and bilateral relationship.
And obviously the growth rates in your markets are projected to be significant. And so that's a great opportunity for all countries to think about where is it that they can add value and where there's a mutual advantage. So I see the future of our trading relationship with Malaysia to be a very positive one with lots of opportunities, but I don't see it as it growing at the expense of our relationship with our European friends and neighbours. We want a model that can accommodate both.
With Brexit, it offers a greater flexibility and freedom to develop stronger bilateral trade and investment relationships with countries like Malaysia, which is the second largest export market for the UK amongst all the ASEAN nations, other than a choice of investment destination for UK investors. In fact, just last week, 2 UK companies, Synthomer and Nutritech, invested more than 260 million ringgit in Malaysia.
My view would be, if you look at free trade agreements, the ones we have through the EU represent about 13% of our trade. Therefore, there is an awful lot that we can do to build a really deep relationship that's good for Malaysia and good for the UK without a formal trade agreement, and then we'll work towards that in due course.
Even without a formal trade agreement between the UK and Malaysia, latest development on the global front offers lots of opportunities to further cement bilateral trade and investment relationship between both countries, particularly in the sector of artificial intelligence, big data, healthcare, as well as life sciences and education. Apart from all this, the UK now is also in the process of evaluating whether to join in the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership (CPTPP). Amanda Lopez for 7 Edition.